1984年，我16岁，在懵懂的年纪，我找到了一生的事业。
文物保护不乏浪漫主义的一面，在我看来，都是以温柔的方式行热忱之事。
Sanxingdui Site, on the south bank of the Yangtze River, northwest of Guanghan City, Sichuan Province, is regarded as a testimony to the life of the ancient Sichuan sisters. In 1986, more than thousands of national treasures were unearthed in 1986 from 2 sacrificial pits at the site. The discovery of the 2 large sacrificial pits also opened the door of the ancient Shu kingdom that had been closed for thousands of years. A plentiful of relics were excavated here. Its time-honored culture is waiting to be awakened.
文物保护修复技术在这30多年里突飞猛进，快速成长，让许多不可能变成了可能。
转眼这么多年过去，6000多件文物经过我的双手端查口拼对、粘合、焊接、补配、随色，是我与文物的对话方式。雕塑、冶炼、钣金、雕刻、美术，是文物给我的馈赠。
The myth of Sanxingdui is going to be reviewed by generations of restorers in the time of precipitation. More and more national treasure finally got completed and reborn, revealing the infinite fascination of ancient civilization and blossoming in radiant splendor to the whole world.